Wow, how does my laptop turn on very fast, Dad?
Hi, my name is Shahmi Ashraf from Group 5. Today, I want to talk about transistor in chipset. To move, store and compute all of this data require incredible processing power from the blazing speeds of our device to blaze. Chipset was the first to manufacture three-dimensional transistor, called a thin set, thin film. Construction requires first building a channel in the form of a thin. Chipset has devised several innovations to overcome fundamental barriers to continue transistor scaling. One such innovation is a breakthrough fabrication method called gate. Last, it involved building, then removing a temporary gate in order to precisely place the dielectric material and a metal gate. This allows for the gate to wrap around the pin and control the flow of electrons through the channel. Another invention moved the transistor contact directly over the active gate. To accomplish this, the gate material is recessed and then filled with insulting electric material to prevent the creation of short circuit. Next, the dielectric near the gate is also filled with metal resistance and capped to allow a novel self-delegating process that enables the high-density contact geometries. Now, the dielectric are edged selectively to expose only the desired part to connect to the first metal lines. This is done through the innovation via etch and deposition sink, allowing contact over active gate to happen. Finally, dozens of layers of metal interconnect lines are added to complete.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening everyone. So today we are from Group 5 are going to present a topic about transistor. So we will discuss a basic understanding of transistor. Move on to our table of content. So the first one is we will talk about introduction, what is a transistor, and then we go into type of transistor, and then work in the circuit and working principle of transistor, and the last one is application and conclusion. Introduction. So what is a transistor? Transistor is defined as a semiconductor device that fundamentally boot with three terminals for amplifying or switching electronic signal and electric power purpose.
The types of transistor. There are three types of transistor, which is emitter, collector, and also the base. And as we can see here, one of them is NPN, with the arrow is exiting the base, and the other one is PNP, the arrow entering the base. So the emitter is when the side that supplies charge carrier, and collector is the side that collects charges, and the last one is base, is the middle section between the emitter and collector. It is a forward bias, and base collector is reverse bias.
So we move on to the work in the circuit and in principle. So we will talk about how it works in circuit. So how NPN of transistor work? It consists of a layer of P doped semiconductor between two layers of N doped. Next, the base controlling the number of electrons. The emitter electrons are collected by the collector and sent.
So, how the NP of transistor works? It consists of a layer of N-doped semiconductor between two layers of P-doped. Current flow is still controlled by the base instead of emitting electrons, which are then collected by the collector.
We are going to the next slide. It's a working principle for the transistor. First, the increased forward voltage across emitter base proportionately more free electron. And second, this causes a proportionate increase of collector current. And lastly is in this way, by controlling a small base signal, we can control quite a large collector signal.
The last part would be the application of transistor. Three applications, of which is one of them is switches. Act like a switch which can be turned on and off. It acts as such by creating a binary on or off effect. And the other one would be the switches with memory chips, where there are millions of. They could also be used as an amplifier, which is a tiny electric currents and producing a much higher current output at the other end.
So the conclusion is, I hope with this you will get a basic understanding of what a transistor is, what type of BJT transistor, how it works, and its application.
So there's from us.